Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Arinze John, and I'm here to talk about my experiences in the camp so far. Coming down here, I never expected it to be that easy, actually. But when you come down here and you see, if you know about camping, you come, you expect to meet friends and you just have fun and that's all. But the first experience I had was the mattress they gave to us. Actually, that was not a mattress. I think that's a cloth. Just kept it on the floor and lie down with it. And you just have to accept that you are now in the camping system. That is that camping place. So after that, had the opportunity to come around to the main office to talk to us. So after speaking to us, we understood that here is not just about camping or just coming to learn. That here is a place that will reshape your mind to give you this open mindset you're going to have, that you understand that you're just limited to what you know, that whatever you want to do, you can achieve. Most times we just see it's because our mindsets, we are based on these things are little and the rest. But as a human being, whatever you want to do is based on your mindset. If you want to be great, is that you have that great mindset to do what you want to do. So also I learned about so many as the work style. The work style we normally use down here in the Nigeria, it's not quite the same with that they use in the West. They use outside. So we have a work schedule. They have the agile framework, which helps to break down works, complex works in small fractions, and it helps works go easier. So we learned a lot of things, and I'm happy also coming here. I came here as a graphic designer, but I'm leaving as a UI UX because I just saw that that's the big field in which I need to tap in. And I thank God that I'm learning and getting the experiences. So I want to thank Brave Achievers for the opportunity and for everything they've done for us. Thank you very much.